जब फोन खरीदने जाते हो तो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो ना, एंड्रॉयड लूं या आईफोन। दोनों के अपने प्रोज और कॉन्स है। वैसे ही करेंसी और कमोडिटीज को समझना एक बात है, लेकिन उनमें सही तरीके से इन्वेस्ट करना एक अलग ही कला है। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द फाइनल एपिसोड ऑफ आवर करेंसीज एंड कमोडिटीज सीरीज। Today we'll understand how a regular investor like you can track and invest in these assets wisely. Let's talk about tracking tools, where to stay updated. Before investing, you must know how to track real-time price changes. Here are some of the best key tools that you can use. Investing.com for real-time commodity and currency charts. MCX India, multi-commodity exchanges for all the major commodity contracts. RBI and NSE websites, official currency exchange and derivatives information. Apps like Money Control, ET Markets, TradingView, which are great for daily tracking. Let's talk about how to invest in commodities. Investing in commodities is no longer limited to buying physical gold or silver. You now have multiple regulated ways to participate. Physical gold, still preferred for festivals and weddings, but storage and purity risks apply. Gold ETFs, you buy gold digitally like buying a stock, no storage issue, just market tracking. Sovereign gold bonds, SGBs, they are issued by RBI and they give you a fixed 2.5% interest rate per year plus gold price appreciation. They are great for long-term investors. Commodity futures via MCX. Trade in commodities like crude oil, silver, or even agri products like cotton or wheat. Now let's talk about how to invest in currency. Currency investment is useful not just for traders, but also for individuals and businesses managing international exposure. The first one is currency futures and options, F&O. They are traded on NSE and BSE in pairs like US dollars and Indian rupee, Euro and Indian rupee, and the Great British Pound and Indian rupee. They can be used to speculate or to hedge against a particular currency risk, and they require a demat account and a trading account. The second question is, who can invest? Individuals, travel, education, remittances, importers and exporters to protect margins, and freelancers and businesses paid in foreign currencies. Following are the costs and risks involved. Before investing, you should be aware of the hidden costs and potential risks. Following are the costs, brokerage and transaction fee. They apply on every single trade, especially in futures and options. Storage charges for physical gold and fund management fees for ETFs. Following are the risks, volatility. Currency and commodity markets react quickly to global events. Leverage risk. Futures and options can amplify both gains and losses. Liquidity issues. Some contracts may have low trading volumes, making entry and exit difficult. Regulatory changes. Government policy shifts can directly affect prices. So investing in currency and commodities is no longer just for experts. With the right tools and basic understanding, you can use these to protect your money, beat inflation, and diversify your portfolio. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow Yes Securities. And let us know in the comments what topic you would like us to simplify next.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.